Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing the boat and preparing the road for recovery. Stop the engine and put the transmission in neutral. You must prevent any sudden thrust. Make sure the area is clear and you have gloves, a line knife, and a hook on hand. Feel the road tension while someone slowly takes up slack at the winch or windlass. Once you feel controlled tension, communicate a simple count. 1, 2, heave, then begin steady retrieval to avoid shock loads and tangles. You now focus on freeing the anchor from its snag. Apply steady, rhythmic tension with the windlass, short pulls rather than continuous full power, so the load eases and the anchor pivots. If it won't budge, shift the boat's position slowly to change the angle. That often releases a rock or stump. If the chain twists, feed slack and retake it properly. Make sure to watch for sudden releases. When it breaks free, ease the road in slowly to prevent capsizing or You finish by bringing the anchor aboard and securing the road. Use a boat hook or gloved hand to guide the anchor into the roller. Keep tension so it doesn't swing. Once on board, flake and stow chain or rope neatly to prevent tangles and tripping, and secure the anchor with a snubber or safety line. If the anchor remains stuck, try applying brief reverse thrust or shifting weight aft to alter the pull angle. That often frees a stubborn hold. Then repeat the controlled recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.